तो बढ़ रहे हैं। कमेंट्स देखिए, गंदा कमेंट कर दिया। Another demand. Exercise 1.2 on demand. Let's do it. Now guys, let's start the maths exercise 1.2 chapter name number system. पर उससे पहले अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल नोटिफिकेशन को भी दबा प्रेस कर देना, ताकि जब भी मेरी कोई क्रिएशन आए तो वो सबसे पहले आपके पास ही पहुंचे। Only 3 questions. क्या है? चुटकियों में कर दूंगा, चुटकियों में। First question is state whether the statements are true or false. The first question here is every irrational number is a real number. Obviously true, because real numbers are collections of rational and irrational numbers. So the answer is true. Every point on the second question, every point on the number line is of the form under root m, where m is a natural number. False, because under root m cannot be set up on the number line or by minus, having minus sign on it, like minus under root 3, minus under root 4, minus under root 5. These all are imaginary numbers, so these cannot be set up on the number line. Third, every real number is an irrational number. This is the opposite of the first question we have. First question was every irrational number is a real number. As I have told you that real numbers are collection of both rational and irrational. So the answer is false, because every real number has a collection of rational and irrational numbers. Now let's do question 2. The question is, are the square root of all positive integers rational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. So guys, this question is divided on two halves. The first half is, are the square root of positive integers are irrational? All positive integers are irrational. Answer is no. Now give the example of these numbers. Okay, so there will be n number of examples, but I have taken here only 2 to tell you how it is possible. First example is under root 4 is equals to 2, because if we will do 2 square, it will be equal to 4. And the second is under root 25 equals to 5, because if we will do square of 5, it will be 25. Now guys, let's start question number 3. The third question is, show how under root 5 can be represented on the number line. It is also very easy. Now I will show you how it can be done. First, which number we have to show on number line is under root 5. So we will distribute it in parts. under root 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. So if we will do the under root of these numbers, it will be 2 square under root 2 square plus 1 square. As so now, as per Pythagoras theorem, we can take base as 2 and perpendicular as 1. Now what we have to do is to make a number line and mark its sides. As we know the base is 2, so we will mark it from 0 and increase 2 units, and the perpendicular is 1. So we will increase 1 unit from 2 up from downwards to upwards. The point is here, and now we have to join 0 and this point each other, so it will be under root 5. Now we have to take a compass and need to construct an arc from 0 and the C part. As we have done here. Now we have to mark the sides. The 0 is A and the second unit is B and this point is C, and the place where we have made the arc is point D. So AB equals to under root 4 equals to 2 centimeter and BC equals to, which is here, is 1 centimeter. Therefore AC equals to under root 5. So AD is under root 5. So guys, I think 1.2 is over, and if you have any other problem, so comment down below in the comment section box. तो चलो मिलते हैं.